Don't worry too much about the details of the physical movements themselves. What really matters is your energy behind those movements and your intention that guides this energy. As you follow along with this sequence, don't worry too much about the details of the physical movements themselves, because what really matters is your energy behind those movements and your intention that guides this energy. So that means just follow along casually and comfortably as you focus on the 4 main qualities of energy that we will be exploring. They are floating, sinking, gathering, and spreading. And as you focus on these 4 qualities, you will notice your practice to be mindful and beneficial in an easy and enjoyable way. And wouldn't that be nice? So with that in mind, let's get started. Let's practice a simple Tai Chi form together. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees relax and bend slightly. Imagine you're surrounded by energy, that you're floating in this energy. Take your 2 hands and gather this energy, feel it float up, and spread it out around you. Gather it to yourself, into your body, and feel it sink down through your body. Gather and float. Spread the energy out away from you, then gather it back into your body, and then let it sink down inside of you all the way down. One more time. Gather and float. Disperse and spread it out. Gather it back into yourself and feel it sink all the way down. Step out to your left like this. With your 2 hands, gather the energy and spread it around you. Gather, spread. Gather, spread. Gather and spread. Gather, spread. Gather and spread. Step out to your other side. Gather, spread. Gather, spread. Gather and spread it all the way around you. Gather, spread. Gather, spread. Gather, spread. Come back. Face your left now. Let your left leg float as your left arm circles, and then sink, expand, and shrink. Float and sink, expand, and shrink. Float, sink, expand, shrink. Float, sink, expand, shrink. Float, sink, expand, shrink. Once more. Float, sink, expand, shrink. Face your right. Right knee floats, sinks, expand, shrink. Float, sink, expand, shrink. Float, sink, expand, shrink, float, sink, expand, shrink. Once more. Float, sink, expand, shrink. Face 4 now. Let your left hand sink, then float. Circle right, then left. Sink all the way down. Right hand floats. Then circle to your left and then circle to the right. Sink all the way down. Floating up in this, then circle right like a floating feeling in water going left now. Sink. Right hand floats. Left and right. Sink. Left hand float. Go right and left. Sink. And the right hand float. Left and right. And sink. Face of left. Step forward with your left foot. Receive a present. Gather to your stomach. And then open your arms like wings. The wing closes in front of you and opens up and around. Closes and opens. Feel the front of your body full of energy. And the energy spread through the back of your body. Feel the energy on the front of your body and the back of your body. Front, back. Once more. Front and back. Come back. Step out to your right. Receive the present in the front of your body. Then open your wings. Close your wings. Open. Feel the energy in the front of your body and spread to the back of your body. Front of your body. Back of your body. Front of your body. Back of your body. Front of your body. Back of your body. And back. We'll finish like we started, standing feet shoulder width apart. Gather the energy, a ball of energy that floats up. And spread it around to gather it back and let it sink down inside your body. Gather and float. Spread. Gather again and sink. Gather and float. Spread. Gather and sink all the way down.